Hey, this is Shelton and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's video, we're going to talk about branding, how to brand yourself so you can stand out from everybody. You definitely want to brand yourself online because I want to know who you are and I want to know who you represent. So you want to pay attention to this message because I've got something to say. So if this is your first time here at this channel, go ahead and hit that red subscribe button and don't forget to hit that notification bell when I do videos just like this. I do videos every single day, even in the car, and I want you to be notified when I do videos just like this. Now, you know what time it is, and it's time, let's talk about branding, how to brand yourself online and how to stand out online as well. So when I first got online, I was just like a lot of people. I was just searching online, looking for things to join, looking at things to buy, looking at things to bring myself some attention. And when I started saying, you know what, I want to work online. So when I made that decision, I didn't think about branding. I just thought about when I joined that company, the company would do all the branding for me. I thought about I represent this company, and I wasn't thinking about what type of branding I'm going to bring to the table. Who am I? I mean, the company, yes, does a lot of the work, which is good because they have their own brand, what they do. But what do I do? What do people know me as? When people think of Adam Shelton, what do you think? You know, you may think video. You may think about live video. You may think about branding. You know, you might think about YouTube. You may have all these names thinking about, and that's exactly what you need to do. So if you love doing emails, you should be known as the email marketing, and you should brand yourself as that. I'm the email marketing specialist. I'm the email marketing guru. Well, no, you don't have to say guru. I'm the email marketing strategist. Let's say that. Marketing strategist, and brand yourself as that way in your emails for people to know, okay, that's the email marketing strategist. You want to definitely get some information from that person. So if you're a storyteller, you want to be, I'm a storytelling strategist. I tell stories for a living using video and using social media. So you can brand yourself as that, and you can still have your online opportunity. So if you have an online business opportunity, yes, that's awesome. But the power is going to be branding who you are and what you represent and what I think about. So if I think about some of these brands right outside here, if I think about the Running Elements, it's a shoe place. When I think about Running Elements, I'm thinking about running and I'm thinking about shoes. So when I go inside that store there, then all I see is shoes and I see brands everywhere representing what they are. Then I think about color schemes. Okay, there's color schemes are orange and light blue. So my color schemes are blue and gold. Blue gold, which stands for relaxing, beaches, water. That's what my brand is. My brand is blue and gold, because gold is the sand, and blue because I like the color blue of the water and the sky, right? So that's kind of what my brand is, and green as well, because it stands for trees and relaxing and breathing air. So I would say blue, green, and gold is kind of more my brand. So that's what you got to think about. What colors represent who you are, that stands out. It don't have to be all hot pink, anything like that, or hot purple, but it does need to be something that stands out as well. So who are you? How do you know who you are? And that's by asking yourself a couple of questions. Okay, what type of platform I want to use to represent who I am? There's many platforms out there. There's a lot of social media platforms out there. So you got to think about that. And then after that, think about the color scheme that represent who you are. Colors is a lot of different colors out there. And you do want to have some colors that represent who you are. And the next thing is that telling your story of who you are. How do I want to tell my story? So do I want to use video to tell my story on a daily basis, weekly, monthly basis? Then I can use video to do that. So there's many ways of how you can go ahead and represent who you are. And I want you to do that upcoming in the 2020. So this video is 2020 because we almost done in 2019. So brand yourself today. Use some of these elements to go ahead and do that, because I believe you can go ahead and crush it in your business. And if you don't even have a business, you can click on the link below this video and we can help you out with the branding. The traction marketing, we have that covered. So So click on the link below, sign up your email, and you'll watch a short video and go ahead and upgrade for you can learn how to use traction marketing, branding who you are online. I'm Adam Shelton signing out. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you tomorrow on tomorrow's video. Have a good day.